S&E Performance, it's a new business in town. I think you've only been here maybe 3 months. You're coming into the valley, a brand new business. We want to invite people, obviously, to come in to the business, but why should they? Why on earth are you qualified to do this?
Because we're qualified.
Because you are qualified.
Yeah. I've been to a lot of trade schools, and I've worked in a lot of places that provide schooling as well, but I've also had a lot of experience in the field, and I've worked with Mercedes.
You did some training with Mercedes, right?
At their test facility in Denver, and they sent us to school with the engineers, and so I've been to a lot of unique places in the automotive industry.
So one of the unique places, and everybody's going to be really fascinated by this because everybody loves motorbikes and everybody loves Harleys, you went to Harley school, right?
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, that was pretty interesting. It is what you make of it, and I really fell in love with motorcycles, and I prefer to work on motorcycles, but
and that is one of the facets of your business here. They don't only, of course, do cars and trucks and things, you do work on bikes too.
Yeah, we've been doing quite a few Harleys lately, but we do imports as well.
So the Mercedes, and the one behind us we've got over here, that's actually a BMW, you were saying, but infinitely qualified to work on any of these foreign cars.
Yeah. I've had quite a lot of experience with foreign cars,
So when you bring your car in here to see Sam, here's what's really important for you to know is that Sam's the guy that you're going to be talking to, right? They're going to come in, you're going to deal with them exclusively. You have the time, don't you, to actually take time with people, explain what's going on, look into what's going on.
Yeah, and I want to keep it that way as long as I can, because I feel like it's easier to be on the same page with the customer rather than taking the service writer's word for it. So
as a customer, I'm sure that I would find that really important. I want to know, and I want you to know me and my car, and that's what you're going to get here to S&E.
Yeah, I don't want a service writer to tell you a quote and then you come in and it's totally different. I try to be pretty much spot on, even over the phone, even if I haven't seen the car yet. And
that's one of the facets of this business that has become really important to you. And one of the reasons that you went into the whole business of doing this by yourself is integrity. You guys are just so honest when you're not going to say, yeah, you need a whole new body put on this car. Right. Tell us a little bit about your theories on this.
Yeah, so working in the industry, I've seen a lot of weird things, but I have...
Questionable. He means questionable, right? There's not a lot of integrity out there, let's just say it.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of quotes from customers that come in and they're just kind of ridiculous sometimes, so I want to eliminate that, and I want to bring back honesty in the automotive industry, so...
Well, that in itself is huge because, as I found, it's not always out there. It really isn't.
Yeah, and I was actually pretty surprised to see that because it's Cache Valley. I love Cache Valley.
Well, it is what it is. Yeah. So here's our point. If you are wanting good quality work, you're going to work one-on-one with Sam. I know you have one more mechanic.
Yeah, his name's Ben. He's probably one of the best welders I've ever seen. So he's a really big help as far as saving customers money because we can make it instead of just ordering the part. You know. So
that's a huge thing too. Okay, so integrity and honesty in business, it doesn't always come along. If we're being honest, it doesn't. So to be able to come in here and as a customer, you're going to deal with this guy who is integrity itself. He's going to tell you exactly what you need. He's not going to overcharge you. He's not going to tell you things that you don't need. Come on down here and see Sam at S&E Performance Automotive. Tell us where we are, Sam.
1456 North, 300 West, right by Standard Plumbing.
Plumbing, I think. Now, is it hard to get an appointment? Can people just stop by? Should they call you? What's the best way to get hold of you?
I usually tell customers to at least give me a heads up so I can order parts or be sure that they're not waiting at all.
Right.
So, and usually we can give you a ride too.
Oh, okay.
So
that's good too. If you've got your groceries with you and you're broken down somewhere and you need someone to fix your car, he's going to take you home while he fixes it. Okay. Thanks so much, Sam. It's really good to have somebody here in the Valley now that we can trust and take not only our cars and trucks, Jeeps, but also our bikes too. Thanks so much, Sam.
Thank you.